In this video, I will show you a strategy for how to win the Thanksgiving Partners event in Monopoly Go. So the Thanksgiving Partners event is an event that has literally just launched and it's currently running for 5 days. Now you can see the event here. If we actually press on it, there's a grand prize for completing 4 dishes. So what you need to do is complete 4 dishes, and to do that you first of all need to add friends. So what you can do is invite your friends to the event by clicking onto any of the 4 available slots, and what you want to do is basically, you can see I've got an ad here from someone, so I'm just going to accept that, and that's going to invite them to this event. So what you need to do is basically collect the oven glove tokens, and the grand prize for completing the 4 dishes would be 5,000 dice, a sticker pack with 1 new sticker, and the brand new pumpkin pie token. So to actually go ahead and collect tokens, all you need to do is go around the board. So you just want to go ahead and roll your dice, and you just want to go around the board, and you want to land on the spaces that have these oven gloves. So for example, you can see on the board, so if I go to this one, you can see we've got this oven glove icon here. So yeah, all you want to do is basically keep going around the board, landing on these oven gloves, and once you've done that, you can come into the event and use these to complete your 4 dishes. So that's a quick strategy on how to win the Thanksgiving Partners event in Monopoly Go. I hope this tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.